following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for the National Weather Service from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor. Open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Big Lake until 10:30 p.m. At 9:23 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Harris and Beaver, Crib, moving northeast at 20 knots. Additional strong thunderstorms were over Chicago and moving northeast at about 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harris and Beaver, Crib, Belmont Harbor, Burnham Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Wilmette Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles ashore on Lake Michigan for the following 9 p.m.